Seeing the Samsung Experience service keeps stopping error, it can cause pop-ups, crashes, or lag affecting syncing, the home screen, and background services. In this video, we'll explore why it happens and show 8 easy fixes plus 1 expert solution. Part 1. Why Samsung Experience service keeps stopping. Corrupted cache data, buggy One UI or Android updates, conflicting third-party apps, outdated apps or firmware, low storage, Samsung account sync issues, system-level corruption, older device struggling with new One UI. Part 2. What to do when Samsung Experience service keeps stopping. 8 tricks. Trick 1. Clear cache. Trick 2. Avoid third-party app conflicts. Trick 3. Force restart Samsung. Trick 4. Reset app preferences. Trick 5. Update all apps. Trick 6. Try safe mode. Trick 7. Update Samsung software. Trick 8. Factory reset Galaxy. Part 3. How to fix Samsung Experience service keeps stopping expertly. Android repair fixes Android system issues like Samsung Experience service keep stopping, repairing firmware and corrupted components to restore stability. Perfect as an expert-level solution when basic fixes fail. How can you fix Samsung Experience service keeps stopping with Android repair? Open the software, go to System Repair, connect your Galaxy via USB, choose Android Repair Review Info, and click Start. Enter your device details and click Next, then type 00000 and select Confirm. For Samsung with the Home button, turn off your phone. Press and hold the Home, Power, and Volume down buttons together for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume up to enter download mode. Samsung No Home button, turn off. Hold Bixby plus Power plus Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, then press Volume up to enter download mode. Click Next to get the firmware.